Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Wednesday, I believe it is. So I wanted to do a video on just showing the taillights and all the lights working and stuff, since we've been through so much trying to get that figured out. So I'm going to set the camera up in the back, turn the lights on one at a time, take you through that, and then we'll go through the gauge cluster, and then we'll do the headlights. Okay, just kind of show you what I got, and then we'll go from there. Thanks, guys. Okay. Parking lights. Headlights, taillights, brake lights, turn signal, driver's side, turn signal, passenger side, reverse lights, hazard lights, so that is that. Let me grab you here. Okay, guys, here is parking lights. Dash lights come on. Headlights, parking lights, you can see them on up there. Got the hazard little light on. Hazards, hazards. Key on, we got the oil light, radio's coming on. So headlights are on, brights, not brights, brights, not brights. You got the bright light right there. You've got turn signal. Alright. You have turn signal. There. You have wipers.
to catch it. There it is. Alright, so you got all of that. Reverse light, obviously you saw in the back. So we're kind of cooking with hot grease here, guys. I got the mic set up here for the Bluetooth. Looking pretty good, I think. So just wanted to show you guys that since we worked on it for literally months. Kind of exciting just to get that accomplished, to be honest. So we're gonna do some things today, and I'll bring you all of that, and we'll go from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and the inside of the cabin here all put together. I got 2 screws somewhere I gotta find, but the ones on the bottom are in. So other than that, this is pretty much put together. I do need a fuse panel clip, the mounting clip. I lost mine somewhere, so I got to order one of those, but that's not a huge deal. And I got to put the little fuse panel cover down there. And yeah, it's a mess looking down here. I got to tape all this up and heat shrink it. These are for my brake lights and the one over there. But that's all I really got to do wiring wise, and then tape all this stuff up and hide it up in here, and it should look pretty good, I think. And the only other wiring thing is I got to take the horn button off and hook up the wires for the horn button, and then we should have a horn, because honestly the horn is hooked up under there, so we should be pretty good there. So really that's all the wiring. I hope to have that done today. Gonna see what happens and try to get the wiring done. And the distributor hold down came in, so might try to mess with that a little bit today too. Try to get that in and see if I can't get this thing to fire up and see how it runs, and kind of, you know, go through all that. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna go make some breakfast and get started on this thing. Thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Please like and subscribe.